Hi, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social media. You can subscribe to the channel. You can do absolutely nothing because why work? Working's lame. That's why I don't try very hard on most things. As you'll find in this video, hello pals. It's Friday, so we're opening a box. This box comes to us from the kings of the beater box, Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com. It's basically a big box of shoes in various sizes and conditions that they price under market so you can flip and make money. Because who doesn't like doing that? No one, exactly. This box cost $625 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $675. That's clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and various factors. Other various factors. Whatever. It's a counter. You understand what's going on here. But then we're going to take the entire estimated market value and put it up against how much I paid to see what the potential profit is at the end of the video in the breakdown. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Faithful subs will notice that I'm staying in the $600 to $850 range because those are the best boxes in my opinion. Not that $1,000 plus boxes aren't bad. It's just stuff I'm not interested in. Like, I don't really care about getting a pair of 750s. I actually prefer not to get a pair of 750s, but hey, that's me. But these boxes have generally been really, really good, so I decided to try and stay in that price range. All right, this first shoe out looks like a very small shoe. Got a 5.5 youth Air Max 1 grade school. Huh, cool. Are these dead stock? So these look dead stock. I've never seen a grade school pair of these. These are the Air Max 1 collaboration with Sacramento Kings point guard De'Aaron Fox. These are called Swipa because his nickname is Swipa the Fox. Now the cool thing about this pair is they are mismatched. You got a very what the kind of thing going on with there. Swipa on the back. I prefer the right one because it's got orange and blue on it. But it's just a very cool shoe. I don't know if grade school Air Max 1s do good at all. I don't really know. I know the resale market on like the men's sizing is okay, but these might be, I don't know. Retail on a grade school Air Max 1 is 90 bucks. I don't know what these are worth, but that's the first shoe out. That's a cool shoe to get. Air Max 1 Swipa in a 5.5 youth. Hey, if you want to buy those shoes or any shoes in this box, hit up my website today, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. It updates today. Did I finish the sentence? I don't even know anymore. So there are loose shoes in here. I don't know why I didn't grab them first. All right, so the loose shoe in here is a size 10.5. We got a React Element 87 or 55. I don't remember. It's a React Element 87, I think. I don't know what the colorway is. Probably like, no, not obsidian. Grayish black, sure. It's worn. There's some wear on the bottoms. React, as I found out from buying the Bruin Reacts, is one of the most comfortable things I've ever put on my feet. So these are probably really good running shoes, maybe. But there you go, 10.5, no box. React Element 87, I think. Hold on, the box, I'm not opening it up. I don't want to look. Okay, cool. So we got a size 10 Air Zoom Flight, the glove, Quick Strike, Gary Payton. So, all right, cool. So these are actually pretty cool. They don't have super lots of value, but I think it's a really cool shoe. The Air Zoom Flight, the glove. This is the Soul Collector pairs. You can tell from the Soul Collector branding on the tongue. It's very Seattle Supersonics heavy. I mean, like, it's called the glove because it's like this thing that goes on top of it. It's got Gary Payton's initials, number 20, his number. Hold the shoe still so people can look at it. It's a cool shoe. I think it's a really fun shoe. It's a size 10. These are worn very lightly though. These came out pretty recently, so a lot of Soul Collector collaborations are worth a lot of money. These ones aren't worth a lot of money, but it's still a really cool shoe. Like, this is stuff you don't see very often nowadays. Size 10, Soul Collector, Air Zoom the glove. Cool. Got a Reebok, unless this is a replacement box. It says it's a question mid. It's in a size 10.5. It's obviously an Allen Iverson signature shoe. No, these are worn. Not very heavily though. I don't know what the colorway is. It definitely looks like New York Yankees inspired, I guess, based on the colorway. I mean, it's a question 1 mid. I mean, there's really not much you can say about it. They're in good shape. Reeboks have a very niche market. AI fans are into this shoe. Makes sense because they're Allen Iverson shoes. That's the dumbest thing I've ever said on this channel. And I've said a lot of dumb things. But there you go, size 10.5. Question 1 mid. Interesting. Got a 6.5 youth Air Jordan 4 Retro BG. This is a worn pair, I think. Nah, these are worn. There's creasing on the toe box. Got a pair of Oreos, Oreo 4s. It's a grade school pair, 6.5 youth. These are from like 2015, I think. Not really much to say about it. It's a 6.5 youth Jordan 4 in the Oreo colorway. There you go. I couldn't really elaborate on those very much because it's a small size and it's a shoe I've gotten a lot of. Got an Air Jordan 13 low and a size US 9. Nice. So these are worn, but they're very lightly worn. These are the Charlotte Hornets Jordan 13 lows. Very obviously a Hornets colorway based on the what are they calling the colors on here? Midnight Navy and turquoise. I mean, it's a 13 and it's a low. I'm not a huge fan of 13s, mainly because these pods get discolored and dirty really easily. But I mean, full Jumpman on the insole still, which is very cool. Not much outsole wear. They come with this stuff too, so can't complain. Size 9, Hornets 13 lows. Those are pretty recent release, I think, too. Got 3 more in here. One of them is the LeBron, so we'll grab that one first. Because if LeBron's not on the Cavs, I really don't care what he does. Got a size 11 LeBron 8 PS, whatever that means. Or no, 7. LeBron 7 PS. It's a good shape. These are the USA LeBron 7s. These were from when he played with Team USA in 2012 or 16. I don't remember, whatever. I can look it up later. I mean, it's a 7. This is probably one of the better LeBron models. I know it's a very popular model. Zoom, so there's no air on it. The box is very iconic, but no one wears the box unless you're a weirdo. But there you go. Size 11. Good size. A little bit older. Got the king on the medial side, which is pretty cool. Huh. I don't know what those are worth. Those could be... LeBron 7s are worth a lot or nothing. It's kind of weird. All right, what's in here? We got 2 more. We got a mid... We got an older Jordan box. It's size 11 Air Jordan 11 Retro. Cool. So these are worn, but they're in good shape. This is the 25th anniversary Air Jordan 11. I think it's just called like the silver anniversary or something like that. It's just a simple, mostly white Jordan 11. It's got a really neat texture on the liner. Specifically, this pair is in pretty decent shape. You can see there's a little bit of wear on the bottoms. Not much heel drag going on here, which is very cool. Doesn't look like there's any separation, which is good. Not a lot of toe box creasing on the patent, which is also very good. They've just been worn a couple times. And the original box too. This you can never complain about. I can't really think of an all-white 11 aside from like Legend Blues or something like that, but there you go. Size 11, right? Good size too. Size 11, Jordan 11, 25th anniversary, silver anniversary, whatever you call it. Very good get. Cool. And we got one more in here. It's a Jordan 1. Always want to leave that for last. It's a size 10 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. And it's a pretty good one too. So these are worn. Good shape though. A little bit of star loss, a little bit of heel drag. This is the yin yang pack, whatever. There's the black one with a white swoosh and a white one with a black swoosh. Obviously this is the latter. Just as clean and simple of a Jordan 1 as you can get. Literally the only like non-grayscale color on here is the tongue tag is red with white Nike Air. It's got the insole inserts. The insoles have some wear. There's no Jumpman left in there. I rhyme poetry. Hello. But this is super clean and super simple. You can never complain about this. They're lightly worn, but not beat, so that's good. That should last you out a size 10 Yin Yang Jordan 1. That concludes this $625 Sole Supremacy beater box. There's nothing really like wowing in here, but there's really solid models and things that I think are gonna be really easy to move. So let's take a look and see what's going on here in the breakdown. This This is pretty much like the definition of a $625 box. Like there's nothing crazy in here, but it's all really good models. There's 9 pairs, so you don't get much of a quantity over quality thing. It's just a nice, evenly valued, solid beater box, which I can never complain about because I flip these and make a little bit of money on them. I don't know why I said that out loud. You guys obviously know that. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com, which is my name.com. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Come back soon for some other kind of sneaker or pancake related video. I mean Pancake the dog, not the breakfast food. Although I would definitely make breakfast food videos because who doesn't like breakfast? Have a good rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Take care of each other, and remember, keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.